create a new dynamic segment, go to Marketing, Segmentation, and Lists. Once there, click the blue plus Add List button. Name your list and make sure you select the Dynamic List option. Then click Set Rules. Here you can select your entrance and exit criteria. Make sure you know on dynamic lists, prospects are dynamically entered and removed from the list once they no longer match this criteria. You can select one specific filter or add groups of filter criteria. Once you've selected the filter criteria, go ahead and hit Run Rules. In a few moments, you will have your updated list, which will dynamically change based on when prospects match and unmatch the criteria you set. Dynamic lists are great for engagement studios, one-off sends, and suppression lists.